Hey there, welcome. This is Michael Carter here, and today we're looking at this is a big problem in the industry. If you have really any type of business, you're trying to send emails, and the reason you send emails is to inform people about different products or services or information that you have in order to get a response from them, usually in the way of getting someone to opt in. So obviously you can then connect with them and make some sort of sales or connection. And the problem is, how do we actually reduce email marketing's declining success rate? Now, if you're sick and tired trying to send emails that don't actually get delivered because they're not verified by Google and they end up in that darn spam folder. So that's what we're looking at here. And listen, this is a next generation cloud-based autoresponder, and it's the first autoresponder that has no monthly fees to send emails that pass the Google test. And here's the important thing, they get a trusted sender reputation. This is very, very important. So if you're trying to send emails from your hosting SMTP and you don't have automatic protocol verifications built into every email you send, you are wasting your time. There's a great little video here you can check out. But here's the thing, email marketing, it's the #1 method to generate sales. And here's why. When you have an email list, you're building a list, building a database of potential buyers. And you're never short of traffic because of that. And you don't have to rely on SEO or Facebook or other types of advertising. It's a great thing, but there are issues with it. Now, with an email list, you simply send an email. This is really how this works, because if you have it set up properly, you send an email, you can sit back and start watching sales roll in. More and more marketers are seeing some problems. There are some declining results. And there's no question that email marketing is actually getting tougher to use because open rates are steadily falling and they're ending up in spam folders. So autoresponder companies are also they're clamping down to make it harder for you to get results because they have a reputation to uphold. So if people are sending suspicious emails, that's a problem for them. Now, it is so important that every single email that you send lands in the inbox and not the spam box for obvious reasons. You want that email to get opened. So what are your options then? You can continue with expensive monthly autoresponder services, and there's problems with that. It's going to cost you monthly, and some of them are very expensive to use. I know that for a fact. Now, you can try and get hosted WordPress plugins or desktop scripts to work, and if you have ever tried that, you may know or may have found that it's not as easy as they make it out to be. You may need to have advanced tech skills to install these scripts. And oftentimes you can only access them from your PC, and generally the results from them are not very good. Now, if you tried to set up a self-hosted autoresponder, I'm guessing it probably didn't work too well for you. For some of you, maybe it did, but to stand any chance of getting your emails delivered, sending from your own hosting SMTP, it's not as easy as it sounds. Now, your emails have to be verified and they have to pass 3 essential protocols, and they're created to combat spam, and they're applied by every ISP or internet service provider. Now, when it comes to sending email, here is what Gmail tells us. It needs to verify in order to deliver emails to your inbox. So they have to be consistently sent from the same IP address or addresses. It has to use a consistent from domain for each type of email. Sign message with DKIM, that's domain keys identified mail. Publish an SPF record, sender policy framework. Publish a DMARC policy, domain-based message authentication, reporting, and conformance. So these are things that you have to have in place in order for your emails to actually get through. So what is the answer for you? Listen, they have spent about 9 months researching, designing, and developing a brand new next generation cloud-based app that provides total end-to-end solution for you that has no monthly fees. So this is really cool. This is Inboxing Pro. This is going to be game-changing, guys, game-changing. And what they did, they looked at the way Gmail wants senders to be structured, because let's face it, Gmail has a great thing going with their Gmail. It's phenomenal. And we looked at the way all major email service providers set up so they can get these high delivery rates. And they incorporated a complete end-to-end solution to provide exactly what all the internet service providers require to deliver emails to the inbox. So here's the process here to pass the 3 essential protocols. You can see the graphic on your screen here. So this is what needs to happen in order for email to work and get into the inboxes. Now, if you're starting to see that there are major issues of trying to get your emails delivered from apps, different software, different plugins, and they're not providing this level of authentication. So if you're spending money on these types of other apps and plugins and things, you're seriously wasting your money with them, because in the long run, they're just not going to work out well. So with this, it's cloud-based. There's nothing to install. You don't have to have any kind of technical knowledge. And they knew they had to make this very copy and paste simple for people to use. Built-in key protocols to automatically authenticate emails sent from the app. So this is a simple but really an ingenious pre-configured template setup that enables you to create and verify all the essential components to obtain trusted sender reputation. And that is what you need. I'm going to say this again. Obtain trusted sender reputation. So this is an amazing opportunity to send emails like the professionals do and really start to put your email marketing efforts really into next level, and you don't have to have monthly fees. So the monthly fees can be killing marketers, especially if they're not getting the results they should and they're spending money on these huge lists they have and they're just not getting any results from them. So what if you want to scale, but you don't have to, you're going to be sending more than 8,000 emails per day yet. So it's a little known fact that some specialist email service providers allow you to send emails using a free allocation each month. So free emails from these service providers range from anywhere from 3K to, and then we're talking about, a month to a massive 150K per month. So here's what they've done. They've created 6 pre-configured API connections to 6 email service providers that provide a free monthly allowance. So this is good news for you guys. You can connect 2 accounts that provide you with 250,000 emails per month, and that's a massive 8,000 emails per day for free. Now this is where the magic happens. They've created a complex algorithm in the app that allows you to use these email credits for free. You simply set the number of emails the app sends per hour and per month. Now, if you connect multiple providers, the app is configured to send the maximum allowance to each provider per hour. Because you can send the monthly cap, you never will exceed the monthly allowance. This is really important. Now remember, these services, they're the best performing email service providers in the world. So they're providing you with, provided you guys actually comply with the sending rules and you don't send spam. You have a very valuable resource here for free outstanding email delivery. It will cost you hundreds of dollars per month to use from other service providers. Now, if you need to send more than 8,000 today, perhaps you have a bigger list and you got to send more than 8,000. You can actually connect up to 12 of the world's leading service providers using pre-configured APIs and templates. Now the app, it has built-in parallel sending capacity, so you can send up to 100,000 emails per hour if you wish to. Incredible. So there's no downtime, and you can send unlimited emails for as little as $9 for 100,000 emails. And you can also store unlimited subscribers for free, and you can connect up to 12 email service providers. You can see them below, which will save you hundreds of dollars per year. You can see them right here. Incredible. So their cloud-based servers can take the load to deliver more emails to your subscribers' inbox. This is a complete ingenious solution. Now, you can check out the comprehensive range of features that are only found in premium email service providers. So there's no tech required. Fully responsive, unlimited, everything you get. Cloud-based app, drag and drop editor, smart import and export, single or double opt-in. You choose what you want. You can have your follow-ups and broadcasts, list automation. You can set your SMTP quota, automatic list cleaning, which is important to do. You get a full reporting suite so you can track your opens, your clicks, unsubscribes, everything you need. And it's done on a world map so you can see the top performing platforms. This is incredible. You can also create lists. You can import your subscribers and set OTO redirects, one-time offer redirects. And also, if you want to create a newsletter, you can do that as well and send your emails with a great drag and drop editor they have. Again, full reporting suite for every campaign that you have. You can maximize your ROI from all your campaigns. And this is incredible. And here's the great thing again, you're not having expensive monthly fees with this, and you're going to get better results than you would with anything else. So if you want to check this out, what I will do is I'm going to leave a link down below this video, and you can have a look at this yourself, go through it. But I feel this is probably one of the best programs that I've seen with Inboxing Pro. And again, I'll leave that link down below the video. Now, for those that want to get entered into my cash contest, I have a cash contest, $108 cash prize that can go to you. Here's how you get entered. If you purchase through my link down there, just email me your PayPal receipt. So send that to mike@moneymike.com. And then when I get that, you'll be entered into the contest. And then what will happen on October 13th, I'm going to have a draw, and I'm going to pick a name from a hat to see who wins the $108, and that will be PayPal directly to the winner. So awesome stuff, Inboxing Pro. Check it out today. And that's about it. My name's Michael Carter from moneymike.com, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.